Welcome back to the shop. It's the final tree build video. That's a tough one to say. We don't have any actual video footage of the final part of the build where we actually kind of build the limbs and put the limbs on. Don't know what happened to the video, but what we're going to do is a little quick slideshow, and then at the end of it we'll have the picture of what the tree looked like on stage. They fell in love with it. It was supposed to be this old kind of craggy ancient tree, and we really think we pulled it off, or at least the director slash producer really thought we did a good job on that, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
So that came out well. Y'all watch this little bit of a slideshow and enjoy it.